Hi everyone, welcome to Scrappy Desk. Today I'm starting with my new series Shop and Create. Now this series is all about the shops from where I usually make purchases for my craft supplies in Muscat. Along with that, I will be sharing a tutorial with the items purchased from the respective shops. So starting with Al Kabil Discount Center, which is located in Al Hale area, quite close to my home. So I feel it's better to walk rather than going by car. So I prefer walking whenever possible. So if you're new to Muscat or looking for some quite reasonable craft supplies, then this is one of the best stores to visit. They also have other stores located in different parts of Muscat. So now in today's visit, here are some of the items which I picked up from there. So the first item which I picked up was these 3 meters LED lights. Well, I would say they are more of fairy lights. Now this is colored glue stick, which I really wanted to try from a long time. And I found these glitter glues. Actually, they were quite interesting and little different from regular glues. So my next purchase was this pack of candles because I really wanted to try some candle crafts. And then I found this decor mirror. It's not a glass mirror, the base is not glass, it's a cardboard mirror, but it's quite light and can be used for kids craft, so I'm really excited to use that as well. But for today's craft, I will be using these 3 glitter glues. They had variety of colors and I just picked up these 3 colors randomly: magenta, blue and purple. For base, you can choose any old box. I'm using iPhone case, which is quite sturdy at the same time. To cover the inside part, I will simply put pattern paper or tissue paper. So let's start with the process. With the help of barbecue stick, take out the glue. Apply a thin layer of glue with the help of spatula. You can either choose one color or 2 colors, purely depend on your imagination. Once the glue is applied, place it on a tissue paper to avoid any sort of mess on your working space. Let it dry for 24 hours. This is how it looks after the glue has completely dried. I don't know why it gives me the feel of terrazzo containers. Do you feel the same? Adding lace now to give a complete and little bit of shabby chic look. Simple textures always look fabulous, and this glue-based confetti glitter was a quick and easy method of achieving sophisticated results. Greeting cards, wall arts, desk organizers can be given a special finish in no time at all, making them a perfect and pretty storage solution for your home. So that was the first episode of the series Shop and Create. I hope you enjoyed as much as I loved sharing it with you all. Please do let me know through the comment section. Do like this video and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next episode. See you soon. Until next time.